innovative Bosch Professional X-Lock system makes it easy to change angle grinder accessories without additional tools. It's up to 5 times faster compared to conventional angle grinders. Just one click and you're ready to go. Osborn has the right accessories for the X-Lock system: cutting discs, flap discs, power brushes, and diamond cutting discs. Apart from the time savings, the X-Lock system offers further significant advantages. The audible locking of the accessories in the X-Lock adapter ensures noticeably increased safety. Even grinding with a flat angle is now easily possible without damaging the surface of the workpiece, because protruding nuts are no longer present on X-Lock angle grinders. This also means less rework. Tools with a given direction of rotation, such as diamond cutting discs, can no longer be installed incorrectly with the help of the X-Lock system. The locking in the X-Lock adapter is only possible if the tool is placed in the correct direction. You don't yet own an X-Lock angle grinder? No problem. Osborn X-Lock tools are backwards compatible and can also be used on conventional angle grinders with a spindle mount. X-Lock tools from Osborn do of course meet the same high quality and safety standards as our tools for conventional angle grinders. During the development of our X-Lock tools, we've put great emphasis on special customer benefits. The manufacturing processes and product features developed for this purpose are unique and patent pending. Osborn X-Lock brushes feature a combi adapter, which allows the usage on X-Lock angle grinders as well as conventional angle grinders with an M14 spindle mount. Thanks to the sandwich construction, the metal ring of our X-Lock cutting discs is inserted between the fiberglass layers within the granulate and thus receives a particularly strong and resilient connection with the cutting disc. Together towards the future. Tools for X-Lock from Osborn. Quickly mounted, safely fixed.